Charge all the latest Apple devices with Scosche's new wall and car chargers with lightning connectors, the Strike Base and Strike Drive. Strike Base lets you quick charge your newest Apple devices at home. It is available with 5 watts of power for charging your iPhone 5, iPod Touch 5th generation, and iPod Nano 7th generation, and with 12 watts of power for your iPad 4th generation and iPad mini. The integrated flush folding wall prongs ensure that this charger is conveniently portable. Strike Drive fits flush in your vehicle's 12-volt power socket and has a low-profile design. It is also available with 5 or 12 watts of power, so you can charge any of Apple's latest devices. Get the fastest charge possible. Visit Scosche.com for more information.